Everyone thinks AI is coming for your jobs. But what if I tell you AI is not the real threat? The real threat is the person sitting next to you who knows how to use it better than you. Think about this. Two persons having the same phone, same internet connection. But what's the difference? One uses to build while the other uses to scroll.
Yay!
One complains about AI while the other one uses it to make money, learn faster, and move ahead. Same tools, but two different lives. I saw this in real life that one person keeps trying to watch videos, learn information from AI, trying to gain new ideas, understand? Months and months he's making notes, understand? While this other guy, he just started messy, understand? Imperfect. But what was his great tool? Consistency. So guys, I told you about consistency. You have to understand that consistency is very powerful. Whoever is opening up YouTube channels, you have to understand. You have to learn to have patience, persistence, and perspiration. These are the three combination facts towards success. So if you really want to get ahead in life, really learn to be persistent, whether you're getting views or not getting views, as long as you are improving each and every day. That's what YouTube sees, whether you're improving, whether your previous videos are better than the last. Okay, and now what happened between these two guys? Let's come back. What happened between these two guys? Understand? The one who was planning, trying to gain ideas, but never yet started, understand, had no results after 1 month. But the other guy who started messy, imperfect, but consistently was the one who had great results. So what does this teach us, guys? That you start where you are, whatever you have. Understand, if you really want to achieve success in life, understand, you don't have to be perfect. Understand, you can be messy, but show action what you're doing. Understand, take action, guys. So this is what I mean. Here's what nobody's telling you about AI. AI does not reward intelligence, it rewards action. AI does not care how smart you are. It only responds to what you ask. That's why the top 1% knows how to get ahead of AI, because they know how to execute it well. Because they are the people who treat AI like employees and not toys. While the average, they ask AI how to build a business, how to create a script. So AI just responds to what they are asking. But while the top 1% who has a millionaire mindset knows how to execute AI. For example, the average people will tell AI, hey AI, give me a business idea, help me to write a script. So they are not thinking intelligently. But the business mindset people will ask AI like this instead. Hey AI, tell me 3 to 5 low-risk, high AI business models that I can start in 7 days with zero investment. So this is the way they think. They stack AI, understand, to produce effort, but which that does not work. So if you have to understand that AI plus laziness equals to nothing. So if you're using AI without any creativity, it will result to nothing. But if you apply AI with execution, then you have an unfair advantage in life. That's why these top 1% knows how to execute, know how to fail, test, and get ahead of others, and that's why they win while the others lag behind.
It's an age of balance, white down.
So let me be completely honest. AI is not here to give you an easy life. It is here to expose you with your discipline, your focus, and your willingness to act. So in the next 2 years, there will be two types of people. Number one, those people who said that it ruined everything. And number two is those type of people who used it quietly to build everything. And the scary part is this, both had the same opportunity.
Sharon Mervanes Darin Wilson's and Naran Hake.
Malati tuwaronin sa ponitan in contestalo. Rara.
Chamisé, faceless.
Den Mehrweise letzte Beats mit jetzt kein Maut.
Call him and I go to this thing. Only twisting that.
So don't ask yourself, will AI really replace me? Instead, ask yourself, am I replacing my old self fast enough? Because the future isn't waiting. Neither are the people who are already ahead of you. So if you really want to take your life serious and if you really want to get ahead of 99% of people, don't just watch this video and move on. Learn something from it. And if you really want to know how to actually do that, then you know what to do. So hit that subscribe button because I'm going to inform you and keep you updated regarding AI so that you don't be left behind. Thank you guys. Subscribe and I will see you.